IPC and BNS, analysis. Remember visual story where the morning starts with light tea, so LT means language and terminology, and then shower Old Spice means so it becomes structure and organization, and then going to Incorporated Office or Indian National Congress Office, Incorporation of New Crimes. But there were Haryana Police people means HRP, which becomes Human Rights Perspective. Students were there with CV and Apple means CV and A, so it becomes Culture and Values Alignment. Another chapter, Crimes Against State in BNS, its section R from 147 to section 158, which starts with formula. Wild woman and her name Conspa, is student of CA, and she likes Indian cows. She lives in a PG of Europe. She married to an IFS and now listens Indian songs on CD, and on roof there is an SP for her security. Now she is doing MBA in India. Where M means, allow escape voluntarily, and B means, negligent escape, and A means aiding escape.
Disinformation. You think you're winning. Fooling people in the most sophisticated ways. You fueled hate and confusion.
With a complete erosion of trust.
The pandemic wasn't real.
More permanent.
Unleashed conspiracies.
Social media posts.
High-profile corruption exposed.
Endangered lives. Undermined democracies. And you make our job seem almost impossible.
Fake news.
Lying about anything.
Almost. You see, it's because of you we get up in the morning. And work through the night.
We're going this way?
All over the world.
And that's the right
24/7.
सीधे रास्ते पर चलकर ही सफलता मिलेगी.
going on the line.
The more you try to drown out reality, the harder we'll work to verify the facts. And with our expertise, you have nowhere to hide. We will find your sleights of hand and expose them. So no matter how hard it gets, we'll never give up. We'll be watching. We'll be ready. Because it's the pursuit of truth that gives us our calling.
The fight for truth is on.
Come find me.